Early morning breeze on me skin, sunrise slow, me spirit green. Hear the drum from far away, calling me soul to start the day. Me feel the fire deep inside, burning truth me can't hide. Them try cool down me flame so long, tell me quiet, tell me wrong, but me born with fire in our chest. Burning truth never rest. Me voice come rough, me voice come real, straight from wound that never heal. Every scar me carry proud, fire talk when words too loud. Me walk through smoke and broken dreams, still me see beyond the schemes. Babylon sell illusion bright, but me I see through the night. Me no fear fire, me become flame, turn the pain into a name. Every step a burning sign, me destiny, me desire. Fire in a me soul, blaze up high, can't cool me down no matter why. Fire in a me soul, pure and true, burn away the lies, let truth come true. Me chant for the youth in the street, barefoot heart but rhythm sweet. When the system shut them out, fire teach them what life brought. Me see hope in every spark, light the way through every dark. From the ashes we arise, with lion heart and open eyes. No water can drown this flame, no chain can make it tame. Me fire burn from pain and prayer, from every wire and everywhere. When me sing, me ancestors smile. Fire carry me mile by mile, burn bright but don't burn out. That's what this life about. Let the fire cleanse your soul, make you strong, make you whole. Fire in a me soul, blaze up high, lift me spirit to the sky. Fire in a me soul, never die, living true till me say goodbye. When the night feel cold and cruel, remember fire rule. Me walk with faith till end of road. Fire in me soul, every low. Na 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 na. Stand beneath me naked feet, earth beats, roots were deep where truth remain. No shade, me feel the ancestors close, spirit flows, they build my life on solid ground, no shaky sound. Every trial make me wise, open eyes, me learn patience from the tree, standing free, stamp on but hoots hold tight, day and night, me see the world chase empty shine, but me find true wealth live inside, soul make me whole, roots teach me how to wait, not hate, time reveal the righteous way, every day, roots and strong, hold me strong, all life long. Roots soft and slow. Truth flow, every leaf got story deep. Secrets keep me walk barefoot pon the land. Understand, roots connect me to the past. Everlast, me teach the youth respect the soil, not just toil. From small seed come mighty tree. Wait and see, no rush, no greed, no fight, live right. Roots and stone protect me soul, make me whole. When worlds shake and systems fall, roots stand tall. No stern can shake what's real. Truth revealed. Roots and stone, hold me strong all life long. Roots and stone guide me home, never wrong. So me walk slow, heart open wide. Roots inside, stone and soil, flesh and bone, ever alone. Hear the jump from long ago. Ancient flow, voices rise from dust and bone. Not alone, we feel them near me, feel them strong. Ancient songs for the chains before the pain. Be real, ancient wisdom in our blood, deep flood. Me chant the words them passed down. Sacred sound, every syllable a key, set free. Me see the ancestors stand tall. Hear them call, them say walk straight, fear none. Rise son, me heart beat in the same time prime. Old fire burning on my chest, never rest. Chant of the ancients rise. Open eyes, chant of the ancients strong. Carry on, me drum echo through the night. Pure light, spirit dance round the flame. Call me name, me feel power in the air. Everywhere, ancient voice guide me way. Night and day, me on a past, present to future new. Me walk the path them clear before. Open door, no fear when truth is near. Crystal clear, ancient chant still alive. We survive from first breath to final cry. Spirit fly, ancestors walk beside me still. By will, chant of the ancients rise. Open eyes, chant of the ancients strong. Carry on. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. So when the night feel long and cold, hear the a gentle tune. Stars shine bright beside the moon. Lanterns glow along the lane. Ease the heart from stress and strain. People gather in the evening air. Share old stories, show they care. Every voice blends smooth and warm. Bring protection from any storm. Me feel grounded, me feel free. Surrounded by community. Lantern light flicker on each face. Give the night a sacred grace. Children laugh while elders glow. Wisdom pass like river flow. Me hold the moment deep inside. Life move gentle like the tide. Midnight lanterns guide the way. Keep the darkness far away. Shine a comfort, shine a peace. Bless the soul with warm release. Midnight lanterns bright and true. Carry love in every hue. Songs rise up in the mellow breeze. Voices blend like rooted trees. Me hear rhythm in every line. Spirit settle, feel divine. Night bring blessings, calm and slow. Light within begin to glow. Footsteps echo on crooked stone. People dance though times unknown. Laughter carry through the night. Turn the shadows into light. Energy wrap round everyone. Harmony tread never done. Hold the lantern high and clear. Let the glow erase your fear. Walk with confidence and pride. Night itself become your guide. Midnight lanterns guide the way. Keep the darkness far away. Shine a comfort, shine a peace. Bless the soul with warm release. Lantern fire, soft and bright. Lead the heart through every night. When the moon fade and morning rise, carry the lantern in your eyes. Midnight wisdom always stay. Lighting every brand new day. Na na na. Na na na. Na na na. Wind crawl gentle through the valley grass. Whisper stories as moments pass. Bird song scatter across the field. Nature offer its calmest shield. Me step slow through the open land. Feel the earth beneath me and everything living move as one. Guided steady by moon and sun. My spirit open, my spirit free. Learning from the scenery. Hills rise soft against the sky. Promise strength when trouble high. River a peaceful tone. Teach me lessons carved in stone. Me breathing deep, release the weight. Find new patience, trust the fate. me strong. Help me walk where I belong. Sing the melody pure and sweet. Lift me heart with every beat. Valley of harmony, calm my mind. Give me balance every time. Flowers sway in a gentle flow. Sharing life, them always know. Me watch beauty take its place. Feel soft joy across me face. Nothing rush, nothing force. Everything stay on natural course. Shepherd stroll with peaceful stride, guiding life along the side. Every moment simple, clean. Teach me love for what unseen. Me take strength from the quiet land. Move forward with steady plan. Slow the pace, breathe the air. Harmony, live everywhere. Walk with trust in every step. Hold the calm that nature kept. Valley of harmony, keep me strong. Help me walk where I belong. Sing the melody pure and sweet. Lift me heart with every beat. Harmony valley, deep and wide. Carry me through every stride. When the noise of life feel loud, come back to the valley proud. Hold the peace within your chest. Let nature bring the needed rest. Aye, aye, aye. Nature whisper like a gentle twist. Me take a breath, me take it slow. Jah melody start to flow. The hillside cover the morning dew. Fresh breeze carry a vibrant hue. Me walk the path with steady stride. No rush, no worry, just pure pride. Me see the youth, them lift them head. Shake off doubt from what was said. Me tell them focus on your dreams. Even river start as streams. A sculptor carved stone by the lane. His hands covered in dust and pain. But from the rock come shape and grace. Strength and beauty share one space. Me reason with him for a while. Teach me patience, teach me style. He say every block hide a hidden key. Carve with love and truth you see. Stone and breeze in harmony. Strength and calm in unity. Hold your balance, hold your ground. Let your peace be deep and sound. Stone and breeze in one accord. Move with life, give thanks to Lord. Hold this center, let it ease. Live like stone and flow like breeze. Me step through town, now sun get bright. Every corner full of life and light. Children paint murals on the wall. Colorize and never fall. Me feel the vibes in every stroke. Future built from word unspoken. Creativity a healing feel. Brush and drum become the shield. Evening comes soft like cotton cloth. Birds them settle, breeze blow warm. Me sit and watch the skyline glow. City heartbeat calm and slow. People gather for small delight. Share them music through the night. Harmony rise in every tone. Blend like breeze, shaping stone. Stand firm like mountain tall, but stay flexible through it all. Life a dance between strong and free. Hold the balance, let it be. Stone and breeze in harmony. Strength and calm in unity. Hold your balance, hold your ground. Let your peace be deep and sound. Stone and breeze in one accord. Move with life, give thanks to Lord. Hold this center, let it ease. Live like stone and flow like breeze. Oh. When trouble rise or tension freeze, remember the wisdom of stone and breeze. Stay grounded strong, but light in mind, and peace will follow every time. Climb the mountain, mist and rain. Every step release me pain. The higher me go, the clearer me sight. Jah light shine bright. Birds chant hymns above the tree. Nature speak to me. Mountain of Zion stands so tall. Jah love overall. Me trod the path of faith and grace. The wind caress me face. No easy road, but Jah me trust. Me rise from dust to dust. Them tell me give up, me say no. The summit still aglow. Every struggle shape me soul. Jah make me whole. Me see the wicked build them throne, but them can't rule alone. Me see the humble grow in might, guided by the light. Me carry the banner red, gold, green, symbol of the unseen. Freedom born in humble heart, Jah masterpiece of art. Mountain of Zion, me climb high. Touch the clouds, reach the sky. No Babylon power can block me way. Jah protect me night and day. Mountain of Zion, rise in pride. Truth are the guide. Every soul that seek Jah face, find eternal grace. Me look down upon the valley deep, where many lose and weep. But from the top, me sight the dawn. New creation born. Me feel the wind whisper Jah name. Set me heart aflame. No stone, no storm can shake what Jah create. Elders chant beneath the tree. Say Jah set the captives free. Children play with laughter bright, pure delight. Me see the rainbow stretch so far. Peace beyond the scar. On Zion Mountain, me stand firm. Jah lesson me learn. When me weary, Jah restore me strength once more. From trial come wisdom clear. Jah forever near. The mountain high, but Jah hand true. Carry me through. Each step me take in devotion. Heart full of emotion. Mountain of Zion, me climb high. Touch the clouds, reach the sky. No Babylon power can block me way. Jah protect me night and day. Mountain of Zion, rise in pride. Truth are the guide. Every soul that seek Jah face, find eternal grace. Na na, na 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 na, na na, na 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 na. Whoa, Mountain of Zion. Smoke a spliff inna the morning, yeah man. Me rise up early, sun kiss me face. Blessed morning in a holy place. Me step barefoot on earth so green. Ganja leaf dey on the scene. Me give thanks for the breath me take, for the life and every move me make. Me brew me tea from roots and bark. Me chant a song when the roosters bark. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Me plant me food, me till me land. Me hold the drum with a steady hand. Me woman bring fruits from the tree. She is natural, just like me. No fake smile, no plastic vibe. We live clean, love deep and thrive. No rush life, no clock fi bind. Me time flow in Jaja time. Me look to the hills, me see me dream. Me hear ancestors on the mountain stream. Them guide me steps when the world get loud. Them lift me spirit from beneath the cloud. Me chant them names and me keep them near. Me walk with courage, never fear. Me meditate and the vision clear. Me know who me is, me mission here. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Beside me drum, me heart beat like a lion come. Me light one split fi cleanse me mind. Me see the signs me used to blind. The children run, them laugh and play. Them carry the sun into the day. Me teach them truth, me show them peace. Me show them how love never cease. Herb is me sacrament, me meditation tool. Me burn it in a silence or by the stream pool. No violence, no hate, me chant for love. Me answer to guidance from Jah above. Me nah follow fashion or Babylon pace. Me find me reading in a Rasta grace. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye.
soul levitate to the bluest sky. In this life, me no need no goal. Just nature, music, and truth untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah, ever me go. Oh, morning light on Rasta face. Peace and love in a sacred space. Me praise the sun, me bless the rain. Me live for joy, not chase no gain. Rasta morning, light and clear. Rasta morning, Jah is near.
Morning shine creep through the hilltop air. Light reveal the moment's fair. Me stretch me arms, me mind feel bright. Ready fi walk in the morning light. Me climb the path with quiet grace. Feel the sunrise warm my face. Every stone beneath me tread guide me steps where dreams are led. Me look around and clearly see strength growing naturally. Wind brush soft through tall green pine. Show me life move by design. Me hear echoes from the past. Teach me patience, teach me fast. Mountain spirit hold me near. Ease the doubt, remove the fear. Rise among the hills tonight. Claim your courage, claim your light. Every heartbeat strong and true. Show the world what you can do. Rise among the hills and stand. Hold the future in your hand. Birds fly free along the ridge. Cross the valley, cross the bridge. Me take guidance from the flight. Find new power, find new sight. Every minute bring new hope. Help me learn for better cope. Villagers greet with open smile. Share their strength for one more mile. Me hold the blessing them provide. Let it flow along the ride. Unity rise in every face. Lift the spirit of the place. Stand firm, breathe deep. Climb the hills your spirit keep. Every journey start within. Let your courage always win. Rise among the hills tonight. Claim your courage, claim your light. Every heartbeat strong and true. Show the world what you can do. Hilltop blessings lift you high. Spread your wings and touch the sky. When the day feel weak and long, remember hills make you strong. Rise again no matter how. Let the mountains guide you now.
Na 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 kaya. And sweet ka by me side, yeah man. Me sit beside the river bank, give Jah thanks, me soul give thanks. Water whisper holy sound, peace and healing all around. Me see the stream move slow and wise, mirror the truth inside me eyes. Every ripple, every flow, carry message Jah bestow. Me drop me fears, me wash me pain. Jah river cleanse again, from the mountain top it fall. Blessing flow for one and all. Me chant for life, me chant for peace. Righteousness never cease. The river teach me how to be calm and full of melody. It show me how the time will heal and how the truth reveal. River of Jah flow strong, wash away the wrong one. Love one song, one way, guide me night and day. Flow through the people, flow through the land. Jah water bless every hand. Me see the children play and sing, Jah creation everything. Me feel the breeze, me feel the grace, peace and joy in every place. Me know the river never end, it flow round every bend. Elders smile and youth rejoice, nature sing in one voice. No fear, no hate, no greed, just Jah fulfilling need. Every soul become the tide, flow together side by side. Me flow with Jah, me never tire. His word me heart's desire, no drought can stop the stream. Love forever dream. River of Jah flow strong, wash away the wrong one. Love one song, one way, guide me night and day. Flow through the people, flow through the land. Jah water bless every hand. So when the days feel dry and long, remember the river song. It flow within, it flow without. Jah love remove all doubt.
Lift your eyes to the midnight sky. Stars above the nation testify. Silent witness shining bright. Guide the people through the night. Not of gold, not of throne, but the heavens we call home. Constellations mark the way. Stars declare a brighter day. Every twinkle tell the tale. Truth of Zion will prevail. Ancient sail across the sea. Stars deliver destiny. Now the people wonder still. Stars align for Jah will. Every journey, every dream. Stars above the nation gleam. Hope reflected, truth revealed. Broken spirit gently healed. Moon and planet shine in line. Signal now the holy time. Babylon shadow lose its claim. Stars eternal still remain. From the desert to the shore, nation rise forevermore. Every twinkle, every light, promise shine against the night. Sky proclaim what must be done. Stars unite the hearts as one. Message bright in every zone. Heaven write the truth in stone. peace for the world. Me hear the cry from deep within. Jah call the people to begin. No silence now, no fear. Truth and freedom draw near. Hey. Me walk the street with me head high. Jah power never lie. Every sound from drum and bass carry the voice of the human race. Them try for hush, them try for hide, but truth stand by my side. Me chant for justice, me chant for right. Jah light forever bright. Me hear the mothers, hear the youth, all them sing one truth. Me see the fire in the eyes. Jah promise never dies. From the valley to the sea, voice of people set we free. No chain, no wall, no gate can hold back the faith. Yeah. Voice of the people strong, sing the freedom song. One heart, one soul, one flame. Jah power no man tame. Yeah. Rise up high. Lift your voice to the sky. Chant a sound so proud. Every beat a revolution call. Every soul stand tall. Me chant for peace, me chant for love. Blessings fall from above. Me say the nation start to rise. Hope shining in them eyes. Together strong, together true. Jah work for me and you. Me hear the spirit deep inside. Jah voice me only guide. No more chains, no more pain. Freedom come again. Yeah. Voice of the people strong. Sing the freedom song. One heart, one soul, one flame. Jah power no man tame. Yeah. Rise up high. Lift your voice to the sky. So let the voice forever ring. Peace and love we bring. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong. Smoke with Zion, yeah man. Me rise before the morning sun. Another battle soon begun. Me feel the wind upon me face. Jah guide me na this place. From the ashes of oppression grow a strength that Babylon nah know. Lion spirit waking at the heart. Freedom heart. Me see the people stand again. After centuries of pain, the fire inside can't be tamed. No more shackles, no more chains. Me chant for the poor and weak. Give voice for them who can't speak. Every drum beat, every cry echo through the sky. Me try the road them paved with lies. Still me hold me head high. Them system cold like steel and stone, but me now walk alone. Me hear the whisper in the breeze. Rasta youth stand in peace. Truth no fade, love no die. Me lift me eyes to the sky. Fly on the wings of the lion, strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight. Hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion, free. Power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day. Lead we on the righteous way. Me see the wicked try divide, but unity can't hide. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, the chant of Rasta Loader. The chant of Rasta Loader. Me see the youths them wise and pro. Chant redemption load. Me know Jah time soon come. The battle soon done. The battle soon done. Me look on the mountain tall. Hear creation call. Every leaf and every tree whisper Jah melody. Me see the river shining clear. Wash away me fear. Lion roar through the land. Justice in a Jah hand. No chain can bind a righteous man. No force can stop Jah plan. From darkness come the light. Rasta keep it bright. Me chant me psalm through every storm. Spirit transform. Me walk with courage, faith and song. For the journey long. Fly on the wings of the lion. Strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight. Hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion, free. Power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day. Lead we on the righteous way. Fly on the wings of the lion, soaring high. Freedom paint the sky. No chain, no gun, no king can silence Jah within. Me rest me soul upon higher ground. Peace and truth surround. Wings of the lion carry me home to Jah eternal throne. Forever free, forever strong. Jah love live long.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Morning breeze touch me skin soft and warm. Ocean whisper say, hold calm. Me take a deep breath, feel life align. Sunrise paint the horizon fine. Me walk on the sun with a quiet mind. Every footprint leave all stress behind. Birds circle high with a peaceful grace. Me find strength in this sacred place. Waves carry stories from far and near, telling me truth, me always hear. The breeze carry rhythm through the bay. Show me the lessons of yesterday. People hustle, people crawl, but still the spirit never fall. Me reconnect with the inner spark, guided even when times feel dark. Golden shoreline, heal me soul again. Wash me worry, wash me pain. Every ripple sing a new design. Lead me forward, sweet divine. Golden shoreline, hold me close tonight. Show the world in softer light. ocean's tune. Balance return with the rising moon. Me see me future with steady eyes. No more shadow, no disguise. Energy rising, strong inside. Carry me through every tide. Fisherman chant with ancient tone. Talk about days when seeds were sown. Me honor the wisdom them bring round. Me hear truth in every sound. Respect for the land, respect for life. Ease the sorrow, ease the strife. Hold calm, breathe slow. Let the shoreline guide your flow. Every step a healing beat. Feel the freedom in your feet. Golden shoreline, heal me soul again. Wash me worry, wash me pain. Every ripple sing a new design. Lead me forward, sweet divine. Golden shoreline, open up the way. Bless me night and bless me day. When the world get heavy and rough, return to the sea, it's love enough. Golden shoreline, forever near. Carry me spirit, year by year.
Aye. Roll a spliff with kamikaze kusha, man. Yeah. The wind blows soft on the land. Jah bless the works of every hand. Drum beat echo through the street. Freedom rhythm move the feet. Me wake up with a chant in my soul. Freedom call me to the goal. Me see the youth, them rise and shine. Shoot a line, the stars combine. No chain can bind, no tongue can lie. Freedom spirit never die. Every man and woman sing. Jah power make them king. Me hear the elders tell the tale. How love and faith prevail. From the struggles to the glory. Every pain become just story. The roots so deep, the sky so wide. Jah dwell on every side. Me chant for unity, me chant for grace. Blessings flow in every place. Heartbeat of freedom strong. Carry the people along. One love, one song, one flame. Jah truth remain the same. Rise up, me people, rise. Lift your eyes to the skies. The youth them dancing in the rain. Healing wash away the pain. Me see the joy in every face. Peace are the only race. Every drum beat, every sound. Jah spirit circle round. From Kingston town to Addis Plain. Freedom calling again. The fire burn, the heart so pure. Rasta spirits ever sure. Me sing for hope, me sing for love. Blessings fall from up above. Me hold the line, me hold the light. Through the dark, through the fight. No fear, no sorrow, no despair. Your presence everywhere. Heartbeat of freedom strong. Carry the people along. One love, one song, one flame. Your truth remain the same. Rise up, my people, rise. Lift your eyes to the skies. So keep the heartbeat pure and true. Freedom live inside of you. One love forever burn. Till the righteous are returned. Aye, aye, aye. ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Night air cool on my skin tonight. Night air cool on my skin tonight. Lanterns glow with gentle light. My heart feel open, mind feel clear. Calling blessings far and near. Me stroll through streets soft lit and warm. Shadow shape a quiet form. People move with easy grace. Joy reflecting every face. Me hear two elders reason deep. Both promises we need to keep. Them words like fire in the coal. Wisdom never growing old. A young musician play his tune. Soft like silver, bright like moon. He sing of dreams he want to chase. Spread his voice all over the place. Me stop to listen, feel the spark. His melody light up the dark. Me tell him continue, never fear. Your song soon travel far and near. Lanterns in the distance shine. Guide the weary, pure divine. Lead with you the darkest hour. Fill the heart with healing power. Lanterns rising one by one. Glow like hope before the sun. Keep the spirit warm and bright. Carry courage through the night. Me wander toward the hillside slope. Find a group chanting songs of hope. Harmony float like sacred breeze. Flow through branches, touch the trees. Me join them with a humble tone. Feel vibration in every bone. Connection deep, connection real. A unity nothing can steal. Down the valley, voices spread. People lift them weary head. Lanterns drifting toward the sky. Send up prayers high and high. Me stand and watch the colors rise. Blend with stars before me eyes. Every glow a humble sign that darkness fade when hearts align. Light the mind, light the way. Even small sparks chase gray. Every soul all ember bright. Share it freely through the night. Lanterns in the distance shine. Guide the weary, pure divine. Lead with through the darkest hour. Fill the heart with healing power. Lanterns rising one by one. Glow like hope before the sun. Keep the spirit warm and bright. Carry courage through the night. So keep your lantern held up high. Let it burn against the sky. Wherever trouble try to roam, your inner light will lead you home. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 guys, I am reggae, yeah, man. Build on stone of ancient days. Temple standing holy ways. Every pillar strong with prayer. Every wall just spirit bear. No hand of man but hand of God. Temple rise where prophet trod. From earth below to heaven high. Temple reach the endless sky. Temple of Zion, pure and strong. Keep the faithful bless the world and make war cease. It hold the chant of drum and song, echo righteous all day long. It shine the truth, it guard the flame. Temple stand in Jah true name. No thief, no liar pass the door. Temple keep the spirit sure. Every stone a sacred word. Every sound the prophet heard. It welcome poor, it welcome meek. It bless the humble heart them seek. It heal the sick, it feed the weak. Temple holy, pure and meek. From mountainside to valley low. Temple light forever glow. It stand eternal, stand divine. Temple built with Jah design. Me kneel within the holy hall. Hear the voice that guide us all. It says stand firm, don't lose your way. Temple bless you night and day. It lift me soul, it calm me mind. Temple show what love to find. Every heart can hear belong. Temple echo holy song. When the morning start to rise, temple glow beneath the skies. It stand forever, never fall. House of Jah command it all. From first chant to final day, temple show the righteous way. Home of spirit, home of flame. Temple blessed in Jah true name. Stand firm, stand tall. Temple of Jah above it all. No hand of hate can break the stone. Temple of Zion keep Jah throne. Temple of Zion, pure and strong. Keep the faithful all life long. House of prayer, house of peace. Bless the world and make war